Hey guys, Chef RedBeard here with Dherbs Kitchen. You didn't ask for it, but I'm going to give it to you anyway. This is the fall, and you can smell it in the air. You can't see them yet. There are no jack-o'-lanterns, but pumpkins, beware. We are coming for you. There are no pumpkins hurt in the making of this spice mixture, but a few local coffee shops might be running low. This is very, and when I say very simple, that is what I mean. For your warm milk lattes, for your teas, for your coffee, for your drinks and juices. If you want to add this just as a spice blend for maybe some vegetables or some other out of this world combination that I have not put together yet, this is the pumpkin spice mixture for you. Very simply, into a clean, dry, and clear bowl, I am going to mix cinnamon. A lot more cinnamon than the rest of these ingredients because this is the base. This is some dried ginger. This is warm, smoky, great anti-inflammatory. I have some nutmeg. That is the spice of the fall. This is some ground allspice. Ground allspice is amazingly fragrant. All of these spices actually are. Once you pour these and you can start to smell them, it is like a burst of flavor. And then lastly, some clove. Yes, the same cloves that you see around the holidays that are either stuck into the ham or to the turkey, those things that have been in the back drawer that you never pick up and use. We put those in a spice grinder and we add that to this delicious fall favorite, beautiful pumpkin spice mix. Again, you can just warm some coconut milk or some almond milk or some oat milk, sprinkle this on top, stir it in, pumpkin spice latte. It's very simple. If you like this recipe and would like to see others, or just my handsome face, make sure you like, share, subscribe, click the little bell icon in the corner, and follow us at www.dherbs.com/Chef RedBeard. I'm not going to eat a spoonful of this because this is not the cinnamon challenge. See you guys soon.